guys, I'm Aurora, and today we're gonna learn the question words. And the question words are used to ask something, so we need them to ask a question. So now I will tell you some of the most used in Italian. So the first one is chi, who, dove, where, quando, when, perché, why, and we will look at perché in the next lesson better. So cosa or che cosa, what, quale, which, and come, how. Now I will tell you some of the examples. So this is the first example. Chi è quel bambino? Who is that child? Dove sono le mie penne? Where are my pens or biros? Quando parte il treno? When does the train leave? Perché non hai studiato? Why didn't you study? Cosa mangi oggi? What do you eat today? And quale città vuoi visitare? What city do you want to visit? And the last one, come si arriva a scuola? How do you get to school? I hope you liked the lesson of today. Put a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!